It's time for another gardening update. It's I back again with an update. I didn't make it for 2 Saturdays, but I want to share today. I know some of y'all not gonna believe me, but I put these seeds in here, I guess about a month ago. This is rosemary. The last time I did this, I shared with y'all a rosemary plant, and I killed it because I disturbed it way too much. But I sprinkled a bunch of rosemary seeds in this pot, and to my surprise, these come up faster than the other ones. But we shall see. There's nothing in here but rosemary seeds, so it gotta be the rosemary. This rosemary plant's still doing good. My only thing is careful with my watering and the care for this plant. Hope y'all enjoyed this little update, little video. Well, it's special because it's not Thursday, it's not Saturday. What the day is? Tuesday. So this is a special Tuesday. I'm sharing this update on my balcony garden about this rosemary going on. These are peppers. Some pepper seeds came back, and I think this is, I don't remember, but as it get bigger, then I can use my plant app and see what's happening. Okay, look at my succulent growing babies. I didn't know this plant did that. That rain blessed this plant. Look at that. Babies growing in underneath the leaves. Amazing. Everything took off. My doggone burrows plant got to recuperate. This is the calicoli plant. That's it for today, y'all. But basically, I just want to share this rosemary growing. Have a good one. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.